every step I take, every road I walk, your hand will guide me. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. Delight yourself also in the Lord, and He will grant the desires of your heart. Give your heart to the Lord, give Him your heart. He will act on your behalf. Give your heart